from the cyclical process. I'm looking at the triggers that we would have had today based on the theoretical construction we have on the NASDAQ. This is a 5-minute NASDAQ, and these would have been the trades that we would have triggered. So we had one phase here where it kind of carried on a little bit further than we would have liked, but we had 4 trades on 4 candles here, and it did result in a very nice sell. We had a buy trade at the bottom of this candle, had a very nice buy. We had a buy trade at the bottom of this candle, a very nice, enormous buy. A buy trade here, which did well, a buy trade here, which did well. We missed a trigger on the top edge sells. We missed a sell trigger here. We missed a sell trigger here, and we've missed a sell trigger here. But you know what? Sometimes that's what's going to happen, right? It depends where you pitch your tent. Depends upon what you get. Sometimes when you see massive pins, because the candle close is not near a high, then it doesn't clear as a cycle top or a cycle bottom, because it just looks as if it's a rolling over period by the end of the candle. You'd have found that if you traded this live without necessarily an end of candle trigger, that there may well have been a candle trigger for the top edge there for the short sell. So it is what it is. But this is certainly good enough to certainly be put together as a buy and sell arrow narrative. I'm sure if you had those arrows on your charts, you would have been able to make sense of those as possible trade entries, and you'd have been able to maybe find your way into making some money with that one. So we're going to be working on that tonight, see if we can get that finished. Depends what time we get back in. We are out tonight, so we'll see what time we get back in, but we should certainly be able to get it finished. It should be a relatively quick process, one would imagine. And if those are the arrows, not a lot of trades, you can see for yourself. I mean, there's only been one trade since the US Open, and it was literally the Open. But this is on a 5-minute chart. We're going to take it down into 1-minute charts. We'll get a lot more trade entries. But certainly on a 5-minute chart, it gives us a good quality of entry. And if, as I said, if those were my trade entries, I personally would be delighted with that as a trade system. And working into an order flow trigger to get me into the deal in those areas would have made me a lot of money today. So we'll have that one finished by the end of today. I'm 100% certain. We'll take it from there.